Hello friends, welcome to Ikra Technology. Today we are going to learn what are tuples in Python. Like list, tuples are also a type of collection. But what makes them different is tuples are immutable. That means you cannot change the value of tuple once after creation. Right? In list we can modify the list, we can perform different operations on list, but in tuple you cannot modify the value of the list. Okay, you can access the value but you cannot modify it. Tuple is commonly used in the scenarios where you need the collection to be unchangeable, right? So one key difference to note between them is tuple is always created using circular braces. Right. So let's see how to create a tuple. This is an empty tuple. This is tuple of integers. This is tuple of boolean values. This is tuple of different type of values. So now in like array, we access the value of tuple based on index only, right? So let's say I want to access the fourth value, then I will give the this is the fourth value, right? I want to access the fourth value, then I will give it an index 3. I want to access the fifth element, then I will give the index 4. Same as list, right? So let's see how to create a tuple. I'll just create tuple 1 is equals to you can use circular braces simply. Note, in list we used curly braces, but in tuple we will use circular braces. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our tuple. Let us try to access the value of tuple. So I want to access the value at index 2. So I'll write tuple 1 of 2. It will print it, right? See, it will print it. See, I got the value. But let's suppose we want to change the value of tuple, which is practically not possible. You cannot change the value of tuple. So let's see what interpreter does when we try to change the value of tuple. So suppose I'll write tuple 1 of 2 is equals to 10. Let's see. See, type object does not support item assignment, which means you cannot modify the value of tuple once after creation. So that's the difference between tuple and list. You can access the value, you can sort the value, you can get the index of value, but you cannot change the value. Let's quickly revise what is tuple. So tuple is a collection of data or collection of values where the values are unchangeable or immutable. Once after creation you cannot change the value. If you try to change it, interpreter will give you an error. Tuple is made using circular braces. This is how you create tuple. Same tuple is based on indexing concept. Whenever you want to access an element, you have to give its index. You cannot modify the value of tuple. Yeah, that's all about today's video. Thank you.